Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to use align command. Okay, what is the use of align? So what is the use of align means, see in this drawing, this is it should be here, but it is moved somewhere. So I will show you that drawing. See, drawing should be like this, but here drawing this location is shifted to in this location. So I want to bring to exactly location as per PDF. So what I have to do, I will use align command. See, it is rotated, but I want to bring exactly location to as per image, as per PDF format. So I will use command align, enter. Here it is asking align select object. Which one you want moving to here, that one you have to select. So I want to move this one. I selected, enter. See, in this one here, see, here in this location it should be here. See here, this one. Okay, right? So I will select this one, zoom in, click this one. Next I will give this one, and enter or space, click on space 2 times. See exactly it is fitted, exact location it drawing came to here. Okay, right? Now we will see the PDF exact location coming or not. See here, see, if you look in this PDF, same it's looking as per PDF, also exact location. Okay guys, this is how to use align command. That is of the use of, it will save lot of time. Okay guys, thank you so much.